Hello everyone. I am back with another painting video. I have been obviously in the Christmas spirit for a while, and I see all these really cute Christmas tree paintings, and it's one of those things that I can make myself instead of buying a mass-produced item. So that's what we're doing. I really like how the like kind of vintage style simple Christmas tree looks. And I'm kind of debating on a couple different styles, but decided on doing this one for my bathroom. I have a little Christmas tree in there that is from the senior center thrift store, and it's slept on. I think if you have one near you, definitely go there because it's awesome. Um, so I wanted to make my bathroom just a little bit more Christmassy because I still had a painting up from a few years ago of a desert scene. So just wanted to make it a little bit more holly jolly. And so this is what we ended up with. Um, it's hard to say whether this will be trendy or not. I do feel like it is more vintage style based on the colors that I used and the simplicity of it. I think it'll be good for quite some time. So that was kind of the goal. There are some finishing touches you'll see at the end that I'm debating about doing. Um, I have all of my Christmas shopping done for my family already because we celebrate Christmas around Thanksgiving because that's the time that I can get off. And so we just do it a little bit early. So I have all the gifts wrapped. I did that today and ready to go for family to open during Christmas time. I just figured I'd bring it now since I'm going home. Um, there was a crazy winter storm today called a snow squall warning, and it was this huge wall of snow that just suddenly came. The weather didn't look all that great today, but all of a sudden it was snowing sideways and we got so much snow in such little time. It was honestly kind of impressive. And so it finally is starting to feel like winter. I am dying to go snowboarding and start making snowboard videos, but there is such a lack of snow and the resorts usually open on Thanksgiving. So hopefully soon I'll be out there. I just need to move my body and get on a snowboard. I'm so excited for this season. It just needs to snow. It's kind of lacking everywhere. Tons of places have had to push back their opening date, which is crazy that that is a thing, but here we are. Hopefully the snow will come, and yeah, it's definitely been a crafty fall and winter, which has been really nice. I got some wooden ornaments to paint with my friends in a couple weeks, and that'll be really fun. I'll probably paint a couple gifts. We'll see what I end up doing. I have felt a little bit of burnout in kind of creating a lot, so I have been kind of focusing on personal projects, which has been nice. But I do want to do some experiments and try some new styles of painting. So we'll see how that goes. Um, I have no idea if that is gonna go well or not. I drew some stuff out on my iPad, but you never know until you actually try. But I might make another holiday painting. We'll see. I might actually, what I might do is paint a more winter scene and not super holiday esque after the holidays that I can keep up. We'll see. We'll see how motivated I am. I also am really excited how this painting turned out, so we'll see what I end up doing. I'll probably end up keeping it up for a while because, spoiler alert, turns out awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I love how it turned out. Like it if you liked it, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.